You go to the train now.
Who is it? Oh, yeah. That's who it is.
CSX.
That's them. Mm-hmm.
Triple header, loaded coal.
What is it? Oh, loaded coal.
Yeah.
What them freight trains be carrying, man? All types of stuff?
Oh yeah.
It could be anything, huh?
Oh yeah.
Engines.
Oh yeah. They like down there carrying coal. Some carry these cars.
Where would the coal be going to?
Coal plants. Plants. Coal plants?
Power
Yeah, power plants.
That's where it's going to, a power plant. Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. Come from West Virginia or Pennsylvania, something like that? Yeah.
Yeah, there's different ones stuck for different things.
Yeah, oh, okay.
Like some carry cars, different carry coal, some carry wax.
Okay.
Furniture, fuel.
Oh, okay.
All kinds.
Okay.
Yeah, that sound is coming from the radio. Yeah, that's like this.